Come test drive the 2022 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, trip odometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.